These are the questions for interviewing Great-Grandma Jones. Question 1. The word assignment in paragraph 1 means about the same as A. Task, B. Vacation, C. Honor, D. Party. Pause and answer. Question 2. Why did Casey ask her great-grandmother questions? A. Casey had never met her and wanted to get to know her. B. Casey was presenting a radio show. C. Casey was completing a special school project. D. Casey is a reporter for her school newspaper. Pause and answer. Question 3. From the story, the reader can tell that the class A. Didn't want to interview their grandparents. B. Liked the ideas of bringing cans of food for admission to the show. C. Practiced their winter show. D. Had fun delivering the food to a needy family. Pause and answer. Question 4. How did Gigi probably feel about being interviewed by Casey? A. Upset that Casey wanted to know about her childhood. B. Angry that Casey wanted to interview her on the phone. C. Pleased that Casey wanted to interview her. D. Disappointed that Casey did not come to her house. Pause and answer. Question 5. Look at the diagram of information from the story. Kathy Jones, hard worker, blank, performer. Which of these belong in the empty box? A. Generous, B. Selfish, C. Reporter, D. Lazy. Pause and answer. Question 6. How were Gigi's shows alike? A. They were all performed in her house. B. They all involved singing. C. They were all performed to collect cans of food. D. They all involve her class. Pause and answer. 7. After Casey shared her interview with her class, A. They called Gigi and invited her to the winter show. B. They made plans for the winter show. C. The bell rang and everyone went home for the day. D. They went to the auditorium to watch the winter show. Pause and answer. 8. Read the chart and answer the questions below. Casey was given an assignment to interview a grandparent. Casey called her great-grandma on the phone, explained the assignment, and started interviewing her. Blank. Casey shared her interview with her class. Which idea belongs in the empty box? A. Casey decided to interview her great-grandma. B. Casey learned many things about her great-grandma's childhood. C. Casey's class began making plans. D. Casey's teacher decided to have a food drive. Pause and answer. Question 9. What lesson might Casey learn from Gigi? A. Be prepared. B. Beauty is only skin deep. C. Slow and steady wins the race. D. No act of kindness is ever wasted. Pause and answer. Question 10. By adding the suffix ER to the word interview in paragraph 1, the word now refers to A. A person, B. A place, C. A skill, D. A thing.